Your body is flesh, your mind electric. But what if the line between them vanished? What if machines didn't just serve us, they became us? Welcome, brain cell ballers, to the dawn of the cyborg century, where evolution is no longer natural, but downloadable. We're already merging with machines. Think about it. Your smartphone remembers more than your brain. Your smartwatch tracks your heart, sleep, and steps. Cochlear implants give the deaf hearing. Bionic eyes are being tested right now. And then there's brain-computer interfaces. In 2020, Neuralink put a chip in a pig's brain. By 2024, they had monkeys moving cursors with thought. Now, in 2025, they're recruiting human volunteers. The goal? Real-time brain-to-device communication. No typing, no talking, just thought. This isn't just an upgrade, it's the beginning of something else. So why are we doing this? Because the brain has limits, and machines don't. Neural implants are already treating depression, memory loss, and paralysis. Imagine curing Alzheimer's by syncing your brain to cloud storage, or restoring sight with digital retinas. Now flip it. What if your brain could learn like AI, absorb skills instantly, communicate telepathically, think faster? Elon Musk says it's how we keep up with AI. Others say it's the first step toward post-human intelligence. Either way, this isn't about replacing humanity, it's about enhancing it. Merging with machines doesn't come without a price. What if someone hacks your mind? What if your memories are stored on servers, owned by corporations? If your thoughts can be read, can they be changed? What happens to identity when your mind can be backed up or deleted? And let's not forget inequality. Will brain implants be for everyone or just the rich? Will we divide into two species, the upgraded and the obsolete? Some ethicists call this cognitive capitalism. Others call it digital slavery. Either way, once we merge with machines, the machine gets a say. This isn't just about tech. It's about what it means to be human. If you think with a chip, feel through sensors, remember via cloud, are you still you? Or are you something new? Posthumanism says, we're not the final form of intelligence. We're just a step on a longer path, from ape to thinker to designer, from being born to being programmed. So, brain cell ballers, would you merge with a machine to be smarter, to be faster, to live forever? Would you give up yourself to become more than human? Or are we chasing progress at the cost of our soul? Drop your thoughts, organic or digital, down in the comments. Click like if this scrambled your synapses. Subscribe if you're ready for more of these mind-bending dives, from birth in pods to brains in clouds. Stay curious, stay conscious, and always question your code.